你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. It's the second video of time-related characters in traditional Chinese. I'll show you how to write day, week, month, and year. 日, 周, 月, 年. We have 4 characters this week, and I highly recommend you memorize 日 and 月. You'll see them often in your future journey of writing Chinese. The first character is 日, and it means sun or day. 日 is one of the earliest pictographs in Chinese writings. 日 is also a radical. A pictograph represents a pictorial sign or symbol. That is, 日 is the shape of the sun. Zhou means week. The left part is a radical, 错, and it relates to walk or move. The right part is 周. If we only write 周, it means the same, week, but in simplified Chinese. 周 is also a family name. Yue means moon or month, and it's also a pictograph. We learn about the sun and the moon together in this video. Yue alone is also a radical. The last character is Nian, and it means year. It's 2021 this year. And how do we say in Mandarin Chinese? In my first video, I showed how to say numbers in Mandarin Chinese and add 年 at the end to make it 2021年. How about 日 and 月, day and month? Good news for you, we don't have to memorize each month, and we add a number before 月. For example, March is 3月. April Fool's Day is on April the 1st. And in Mandarin Chinese, we say 4月1日. See how simple? We don't even have to use the first and say 一 instead. You might wonder how to say November and December. Again, there's no need to memorize another word like 11 or 12. We say 11月 and 12月. It's the end of how to write and say time in Mandarin Chinese. How do you think? Let's check them again. They are 日, 周, 月, 年. You are welcome to like, share, and leave comments if you find my videos are useful. My next video will write color-related traditional Chinese characters. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.